is just a one-pager document. हम लोग रेज्यूमे में अपनी चीजें बयान कैसे करें? You take little small achievements and then you present in a way that it looks like you have done something remarkable. इन्होंने 6 A stars नहीं है, 4 A's नहीं है अपने O levels के अंदर और A levels में, तो उन्होंने लिखे हैं. लेकिन अगर मैंने इंटर किया है या मैंने O levels किया और मेरे ग्रेड्स कम थे, तो I should not write this. So what that person, the first line says, sir, hire me, I can procure, I can market it, I can do. But how you sell yourself? Created a market entry plan with the blue ocean strategy. What is a blue ocean strategy? When you add these kind of things, it's called jargons. And that's the little psychological trick you do. आप ये देख रहे हैं bold करके जो चीजें लिखी हैं. Increasing revenue at lump by 600%.